and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Check out this new spin on a cookies and cream cake, all dressed up for Hanukkah, or simply perfect for a winter wonderland theme. I say new spin on the cookies and cream cake because mostly we see crushed up Oreos going into the cake batter, but today I decided to use my chocolate chip cookie recipe instead. Now, I've always got a stash of those in my freezer, but if you don't, then you're going to have to make that recipe up ahead of time. Next, to make the white cake batter, and I do have full video tutorials for all of these recipes on my website. GretchensVeganBakery.com is the hub for all the best base recipes you'll ever need to start creating some really fabulous spin-off desserts like this one. This truly white cake recipe is such a beautiful batter. Even if you don't go all the way and make this cookies and cream pretzel cake, bookmark the white cake recipe for later because you definitely need this in your life. Alright, so fold in those chopped up cookies, and I'm baking this cake into 6-inch pans, but I always note on the recipes the other sizes that you can make instead. While the cakes are baking, the pretzel dipping is about to commence. Now, you're going to need about 1 pound of vegan white chocolate, and as always, I link to everything that I'm using, including the sprinkles. Just be sure to have a tall glass or something to dip the pretzels all the way in, and then just sprinkle them up. So for this 6-inch cake, I needed 32 pretzels to go around the entire cake. Keep that in mind. If you're making a larger cake, you're going to need even more pretzels. Also, I bought 2 different kinds of pretzels. Now, here's a perfect example of when not to cheap out. I mean, pretzels are like $2, so why I thought I needed to save $1 here, well, I paid for it dearly in the end. So try to get straight pretzel rods or you will be really sorry. All right, enough of this. My cakes are baked and cooled, and I did have to trim off the tops. Yum, chef snacks. All right, now we just get to building this cake. Now, I'm not going to get into showing you the making of the buttercream here. I have 5 in-depth tutorials on my website for how to make all different kinds of buttercreams, so just pick the one that suits you and then make that up ahead of time. You could whip it up while the cakes are baking. The cool thing about a cake like this is that even if your icing skills are not yet perfect, that's okay because we are covering the entire thing with those hopefully straight pretzels. Now, I wasn't going to mention this, but I ran out of pretzels mid-decor, and I had to go out to the store to buy more, melt more chocolate, dip them in more sprinkles, so yeah, believe me, this cake had me by the... But hey, that's why I'm here. I give you all the right measurements so that you have everything you need before you start. I love to show you guys my fails along the way so that you won't have any, and also so that you don't have to waste your time and money. Leave that to me. Speaking of time and money, a great big shout out to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal making all of this possible. I was definitely thinking of you guys as I was driving to the store yet again to buy more pretzels. All I thought of was, if it were not for my awesome patrons and PayPal pals, I would be so mad right now. So let's give them a great big thank you for the continued monthly support, and if you think you can join in for as little as a cup of coffee a month to keep me buying ingredients to test and share all of these new recipes for free, click the links below to find out how. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.